Hello बच्चों and welcome to my channel. Today we learn about poem. Short poem on National Unity Day. Short poem on National Unity Day. Identity brings about unity. Identity brings about unity. Unity paves way for affinity. Affinity cements integrity. Integrity ensures survival. Thus, a family functions as a unit, thus must a nation do to stay and grow. India is the prestige of Indians. India is the prestige of Indians. Indians are vegetarians. Indians are the vegetarians of India. Identity brings about unity. Unity paves way for affinity. Affinity cements integrity. Integrity ensures survival. Thus, a family functions as a unit. Thus, must a nation do to stay and grow. India is the prestige of Indians. Indians are the vegetarians of India. Thank you.